Globally, there are major concerns with housing. For most housing projects, it takes far too long to get houses built that is affordable, sustainable, that's comfortable, energy efficient, safe, and something that they can be proud of. In a lot of these countries, especially with the climates that they deal with, wood is just not a reasonable solution. Number one, the humidity leads to rotting, warping, cracking, insect infestation. And so since they can't use wood, they've got to have another solution. And usually that solution is cement, a thermal mass that absorbs this heat and creates kind of a brick oven. With earthquakes, concrete blocks or brick, it's a death trap. Epik Global Corporation is excited that we have been able to provide a solution for people. Epik Walls is a steel reinforced EPS foam wall that provides continuous insulation to increase efficiency and strength in homes and commercial buildings.
Epik walls are simply engineered for structural steel studs, which is based on standard IBC and AISI codes. There's no need to deal with complications in the engineering. Because they are structural steel studs and foam, they already meet all ICC requirements. There is no issue with passing code. In fact, use of structural steel studs will increase the strength of your building. It has superior racking resistance and high transverse and axial load capacities. The walls are also dimensionally stable. There's no rotting, warping, shrinking, cracking, or splitting to worry about. In areas where termites are a concern, Epik walls provide a permanent solution against insect infestation.
There's no degradation. Steel is rated for about a 650-year lifespan. The problem that homes run into, especially in a hurricane, is that there's no flex, there's no bend. If you bend wood to a certain point, it's going to break. With Epik walls being made of steel, you don't have that snapping effect. Steel is not going to break. It bends, which is a good thing in those high wind environments.
The walls are linked together with a tongue and groove system that prevents any air leakage. The high-density foam creates a tight seal for your basement. Settling won't crack the walls as easily as it does in concrete foundation walls, keeping your watertight seal.
Sealed air spaces is a great insulator. Because of all the airspace within this foam, it has a really high R value. And so with all of those sealed air spaces fused together, you get a great closed cell insulating foam, a perfect insulator. We've tracked about a 50% energy savings, which is a lot. So when you have a really tight air seal, a high R value with continuous insulation, it is going to create a very efficient home that is safe, sustainable, comfortable, affordable, and energy efficient.
For over a century, we've been stuck with the same basic methods of building, until now. Epik walls are finally revolutionizing the way we build.
In order to keep costs down and deliver really energy efficient buildings, it's going to require an epic change in the way that we do things. Fortunately, we have a solution of epic proportions. It is Epik walls.